sharing, caring every day. Little things go a long, long way. Compassion is the place to start. A friendly smile, a helping heart. Compassion means I understand. I help with love, I lend a hand. I use kind words, I do my part. I show I care with all my heart.
In the assembly, we learned about peaceful coexistence, and we learned about how to care for the animals and not harm them. We learned about adoption and buying animals, where adoption is much more better than buying animals, because when you buy animals, you spend a lot of money on them. Adoption is just taking care of them for free and loving them.
Hello everyone. In yesterday's assembly, we learned about peaceful coexistence between all the animals.
And we also learned about how to behave well with other animals. We learned that we should adopt animals which are disabled. We learned about we should take care of our street animals.
Thank you.